Good morning, students. This is class 11, English grammar. I will continue direct and indirect speech, today's topic, and subtopic is assertive sentence. Okay. Rule: says to changes into tells. Listen again. Says to changes into tells. Say to changes into tell. Said to changes into told. Tells no change. Tell no change. Told no change. Rule B: the tense of reporting verb does not change. The tense of reporting verb does not change. Clear? We remove inverted commas. Listen again. We remove inverted commas in indirect speech. We use conjunction that to connect reporting verb and reported speech. We follow the previous rules. Clear? Student, now example. He said to him, "You are a good boy." Student, he said to him. This is a reporting verb. You are a good boy. Reported speech. You know, if reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of reported speech are changed. Said to changes into told. He told him. We use connecting word that to connect reporting verb and reported speech. That you is here second person. You know, second person changes in according to object. Here him is object. You know what is the subjective case of him? He. That's why we put he here. Are. You are a good boy. It is a present tense. That's why it will change past tense in indirect speech. He was a good boy. Indirect. Okay. Second example. He said to her, "You are intelligent." Student, he said to her. Reporting verb is in past tense. That's why the tense of reported speech will change. He said to her. Said to change into told. Okay, that's why we put here told. Her. Her is here object. You are intelligent. He told her. He told her that. We use connecting word that to connect reporting verb and reported speech. Here subject you, and it is a second person. You know, second person changes according to object. Here her is object. You know what is subject? Her is objective case. And you know the subjective case of her. We'll see. Okay, that's why we put C here. Are. This is present tense. That's why it will change into past tense. Was intelligent. Clear? Direct, indirect. Now third example. Ravi says, "Hari has gone to Agra." You know, in this sentence, reporting verb is in present tense. That's why the tense of reported speech will be not changed. Clear? Will not be changed. Clear? Ravi said that. We use connecting word that to connect reporting verb and reported speech. Hari has gone to Agra. Next. Sohan will say, "Asa is a beautiful girl." Will say, you know, if reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, the tense of reported speech does not change. That's why Sohan will say, we use only connecting word that to connect reporting verb and reported speech, that Asa is a beautiful girl. Okay. Other examples, Radha says Meera cooks food. You know, Radha says, reporting verb, Meera cooks food. Reported speech, you know, the reporting verb is in present tense. That's why the tense of reported speech does not change. Clear? Radha says, we use connecting verb there to connect reporting verb and reported speech, that Meera cooks food. Indirect speech. Next, John said to Alice, Nirmala will help you. You know, reporting verb is in past tense. That's why the tense of reported speech will change. John told Alice, we use connecting verb there to connect reporting verb and reported speech. Nirmala, third person, it will not change. Will change into would in indirect speech. Okay, Nirmala would help you is here. Second person, it will change according to object, Alice. Okay, what is objective case of third person? It means Alice means he. It will change into you is changed into him. Okay. John told Alice that Nirmala would help him. Ramu says Meera is ill. Reporting verb is in present tense. That's why the tense of reported speech will not change. Ramu says that Meera is ill. I said to her. Next example. I said to her, I do not take tea. Reporting verb is in past tense. That's why the tense of reported speech will change. Okay. I told her that I is the first person here. It will change according to subject. Here subject is I. That's why it will no change. I do not take tea. It is a present tense. Simple present tense. That's why it will change into simple past tense. I did not take tea. Students, today's lecture is over and you will learn the rules of direct and indirect speech. Okay, thank you all of you.